Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna make a very subtle and fall themed green eye look. And to create that look, at first I have to brush out my eyebrows, and to fill up my brows, I'm here using the Music Flower gel. I prefer gel to fill up my brows because I think pencil doesn't work for me very well. So you have to be very careful while uplifting and filling up your brows, because you don't have to get a very sharp or very dark brows. I personally prefer the subtle look. So here I am filling my brows. As you can see, you don't have to be a very darker shade to fill this. I always use the dark brown shade. Now I'll fill up my other side as well, but quick. And now I'm using my favorite lipstick as my corrector. You can also use this technique whenever you're in rush and you can't find your corrector. You know, we all live for hacks. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my favorite Mistress concealer in the shade Beige too, and I'm applying it onto my eyes to get a very neat surface to apply eyeshadow. And yeah, and here I'm getting my eyebrows done neatly with the concealer. As you can see, now I have got a very neat and sharp shape, and I'll do the same thing onto my other side. Now it's time to set my eyes with the loose powder, and for that I'm using this Borjious, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, powder to set my eyes. And to create the look today, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hue palette, but at first I'm using a yellowish orange shade to create a transition shade. And now all I am doing is blend. Just keep in mind, the more you blend, the more subtle and soft look you will get, as I have to avoid all the sharp edges, so I blend it too well. Now I'm gonna take a reddish shade with a small brush, and I'm gonna apply it onto my lid to create a line under that yellowish shade. And first I will apply it as a sharp line, and then I will blend it with this brush and a fluffy brush. As you can see, we have to mix the shade but not the mix into one. It's all a game of blending, so be patient while doing this eye look. I prefer doing both of my eyes at one time to avoid any difference in my eyes. Then I'm gonna take the dark brown shade, and the third layer will be the dark brown shade. As you can see, now I'm gonna mix it with the red color, and I can see the yellow, red and brown shade separately but in a merged form. Can you see that? Comment below down if you can see as I'm saying. So once again, I'm gonna blend the red with the brown shade. Not take any concealer, and I'm applying it onto my lid to get a very subtle and very neat and pigmented color. Here I'm taking the dark green shade from this palette, and I am just patting this color onto my concealed area on the eye to get the more and more pigmentation. Here you can see that at start I am getting a sharp line of the green shade But don't worry, I'm gonna blend it with a small blending brush with the brown and red color to avoid any crease or avoiding any darkness. And now I'm blending all the shades by taking a clean fluffy brush to merge and to blend these all really well. Now I'm gonna take my favorite eyeliner, which is Glam Girl, and it's very cool to apply. Here I have used a tape to share a very nice technique with you guys. Whenever you're in rush and you don't have time to create a perfect wing, you can use that technique. After applying eyeliner, take all the transition shade, the red shade, the maroonish shade, and apply it under your eyes. Now it's time for the highlighter, and to highlight I am going to use the Christine highlighter, which is very pigmented and very affordable. You can get it from any local store. And for mascara, I'm using my always favorite Maybelline mascara. Yes guys, this is the one that I always go for. Then just apply lashes and voila, you're good to go. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video and if you want me to create more videos like this. And you can also give me your suggestion that what kind of videos you want me to show you. Thank you.